Hi guys, welcome to Simple Math. Today we'll explain a third example about powers properties. I expect you stay the whole video because I will explain things. This is another exercise I took from a progression test or checkpoint exam. So I invite you to pay attention to all the video. I enjoy it. And I hope, of course, you understand many things. All right, let's begin. It says, find the value of x and the value of y. We need to get the value of x and the value of y. All right. In these equations, we have a first equation. So in this one, we have to get the value of x. So let's think a little bit. So if you see here, yes, we have an exponent and another exponent. So we have 19 to the power of 3 and then to the power of 5. So what we have to do is multiply those exponents. So actually here, what we have, I'm going to solve it here, we have 19 to the power of 3 to the power of 5 times 19 to the power of negative 4. So here we have 19, we multiply the exponents, yes, so we have 19 to the power of 15 times 19 to the power of negative 4. So remember that when we multiply the same bases with different exponents, we subtract. So that is equal to 19 to the power of 15 minus 4. So it means that is 19 to the power of 11. All right. So x is equal to 11. So the answer is this one. X equals to 11. Hey, sorry. 19, no, 11, George. Okay, 11. X equal to 11. All right, this is the way we solve the first question. All right, so let's check. First we multiply. Then we subtract 15 minus 4, which is 11. Perfect. Now let's solve this one. I'm going to change the color. Let me see what kind of color I can choose. Let's choose blue. All right. I'll do it. I'm going to solve this one. Okay. So I'm going to rewrite the exercise here. 7 times 7 to the power of y dividing 7 to the power of negative 4 equals 7 to the power of 13. All right, so let's solve this part first. So 7 to the power of 1, which is the hidden 1, times 7 to the power of y is equal to 7 to the power of y plus 1 or 1 plus y. Is the same. Is the same thing. So this is the answer of the first part. Then we have to divide this part with this one. So actually we have, I'm applying PEMDAS, right? 7 to the power of y plus 1 over 7 to the power of negative 4. If you remember, we need to subtract the exponent. So that is the same than 7. I'm going to subtract this and this. Subtract. I'm going to subtract that. That is the same than 7 to the power of y plus 1 minus negative 4. Why minus? Because this one is the sign of the operation. This is the sign of the operation, and this negative is the negative of the number. This is the sign of the number. The number. Okay? So this is going to be equal than 7 to the power of 1 plus 1. Negative times negative becomes positive. So this is plus 4. So this is equal to 7 to the power of y plus 5. Yes? Because of like terms. All right? So here we have this. But according to the question, I'm going to change the color now. Let's choose a yellow one. If you see the exercise, it says that the answer must be 7 to the power of 13. So one number has to take the variable y that when we add plus 5, the answer is 13. If you see, you can substitute y by the number 8. Because as you know, 8 plus 5 is 13. So the answer is like that y is equal to 8. That is the answer of the exercise. X equal 11, y equals 8. This is the way we solve these kind of exercises. Again, thanks guys for watching Simple Math, and see you in the next video. I think I can record another one, which is going to be the last one. All right? Thanks for watching Simple Math, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.